Jones with Safety Man Consulting, safetyman.co. As a police officer for 25 years, I've responded to numerous calls where there was a man with a gun, a burglary in progress, someone in a house, somebody doing something they're not supposed to do, and they're potentially armed. When law enforcement shows up, there are things you as a homeowner or victim needs to know what to do. Number one is get on 911, race to 911, and get accurate, timely, actionable information to the dispatchers. Describe the bad guy. Describe yourself. Describe the location. Describe what happened. Let the dispatchers know that you are armed and follow their instructions. They are tied directly into the police. When the police get there, follow their instructions. Remember, they are showing up to this call not knowing anything about what's going on. They get limited information from the dispatcher, usually coming from a hysterical caller or multiple callers who are only hearing things and maybe not witnessing them firsthand. So one, don't turn around and show the officers your gun because you'll probably get shot. Number two, talk to the police officers. Yell, I'm the good guy, he's the bad guy, and put your gun on the ground and step away. Understand you may be handcuffed just temporarily, just so they can secure everybody. One thing I will tell you to tell the police officers is where their bad guys are, who is injured, if there's outstanding bad guys who left the area, and the location of any witnesses or evidence that can help prove your case and keep you out of jail. So those are the things we want you to tell the law enforcement officers. The location of evidence, the location of witnesses, anyone who's injured, including yourself, the location of any escaped bad guys, and a general rundown of what happened. Similar and succinct as, I was in my car, someone stuck a gun in my window, I shot him or her, and this is where we are now. Okay? We don't need to go into great detail. And then ask for your attorney. Be nice to the police. Explain to the police. Listen, officer, I'm going to cooperate fully with your investigation. My attorney told me not to say anything more until he or she arrives. And follow that. Don't let them trick you. Don't let them badger you. Don't get bored. Don't get hungry. Follow that advice and wait for your attorney to come. But of all, remember, be professional, be nice, and stick to your guns. This is Corey Jones with Safety Man Consulting. Stay ready and stay safe.